In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Royal Caribbean app. First, let's begin by opening the App Store on your device. For Android users, this will be the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you'll want to navigate to the Apple App Store. On your screen, you will see a variety of options and categories. This is where you can find all the applications available for download. It's important to ensure that you are in the correct store for your device. This step sets the foundation for the installation process, ensuring you have access to the right applications. Once you're in the App Store, you're ready for the next step. Next, you will need to search for the app. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Royal Caribbean International. As you type, suggestions may appear below. Look for the official app. This is crucial because there may be other apps with similar names. Selecting the correct app ensures you are downloading the one developed by Royal Caribbean Cruises Limited. This attention to detail will help you avoid any confusion later. Once you've entered the name, hit the search button, and let's see what comes up next. Now that you have searched for the app, it's time to select the official app from the list. The app name should be Royal Caribbean International, and you will notice that it has a developer listed as Royal Caribbean Cruises Limited. This is how you can confirm you have found the right app. Selecting the official app is essential because it guarantees that you are getting a legitimate and secure application. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the app details page where you can proceed with the installation. After selecting the official app, the next step is to install it. On Android devices, you will see a button that says Install. If you are using an iPhone, it will show Get. Tap on this button to start the download. You will see a progress indicator showing that the app is being downloaded and installed on your device. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Be patient, as this step is essential for getting the app ready for use. Once the installation is complete, you will be notified that the app is ready to open. With the app installed, it's time to open it. Locate the Royal Caribbean International app icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. Tap on the icon to launch the app. You will be greeted with a welcoming screen that may guide you through initial setup options. Opening the app is exciting because it brings you one step closer to managing your cruise experience. Once the app is up and running, you will have access to all its features. Now you will need to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Royal Caribbean account, enter your account credentials. This will typically include your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, there's an option to tap Sign Up. This is an important step because having an account allows you to access exclusive features and manage your cruise details. After entering your details or signing up, proceed to the next step. Once you are signed in, it's time to add your cruise. The app will often attempt to add your cruise automatically based on your account details. However, if your cruise is not added, you will need to enter your booking details manually. This step is crucial because it links your account to your specific cruise itinerary. Providing accurate booking information ensures that you have access to all your cruise activities and updates. Finally, you will want to complete check-in when available. The app will notify you when it's time for check-in. This feature is designed to streamline your boarding process, making your travel experience smoother. Once check-in is complete, you can start using the app to explore all its features, such as daily schedules, dining options, and onboard activities. Enjoy your cruise with the convenience of the Royal Caribbean app at your fingertips.